Hey friends, welcome back to the racetrack today. Take a look at all these cool monster trucks we got lined up ready to race for you today. Are any of these your favorite monster truck? And check out those big monster trucks we got parked in the back. We're going to be racing some of those at the end of the video. Which one of these monster trucks do you want to see go down the track? Because going down to the bottom of the track, we got our big dinosaur crew here. We got the Indominus Rex, we got the Tyrannosaurus Rex, and we got the Giganotosaurus. They're here, they're ready to eat, they're ready to chomp on some monster trucks. Let's see if these monster trucks can survive facing off against the dinosaurs. The first monster truck that we got coming up, we got the Mystery Machine with Scooby-Doo, and check out those big yellow wheels. How about that? Can he survive against the dinosaurs? Oh, he bounced off the edge of the platform at the bottom of the track. Oh, look at that flip. Wow. The Mystery Machine is lucky. He is safe from the dinosaurs. But coming up next, we got Tiger Shark. Is he going to be as lucky as the Mystery Machine? Let's find out. Oh, look at that. He landed like right in front of Indominus Rex, but then he rolled away. He might be safe here, guys. He might be safe here. Indominus Rex may not have noticed. Wow, look at that flip. Got lucky. Don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot more videos just like this. Coming up next, we got Max D. Max D. Which of you guys likes Max D? Do you like Max D? Well, let's see how he does against these dinosaurs. Oh, he slid off the end of the track. Right there. Quick little flip right at the end, landed right in front of our camera. Take a look at that. Good shot there. Great job, Max D. You are safe from the dinosaurs. You're lucky you don't want to get attacked by these dinosaurs. Somebody's going to be getting attacked by the dinosaurs. We'll see who it is later in the video. But coming up, we got Dragon. This is Dragons versus Dinos. How's it gonna be? Oh, look at how far Dragon just jumped. He did a big bounce there after his flips. Look at that flip, bounce, and then the roll out all the way back there. He is way clear of these dinosaurs. They didn't even see him coming. Alright, coming up next. Everybody loves the Gravedigger, right? Who loves the Gravedigger? I like Gravedigger. There's a lot of monster trucks I like. But let's see how he does against these dinosaurs. Oh, I was scared there for a second. He landed right in front of Indominus Rex, but then he got lucky. He rolled right away. So Indominus Rex may not have even noticed Gravedigger right there. Wow, take a look at that shot. Good job, Gravedigger. We got another winner, safe from the dinosaurs. Now we got one more small monster truck left to go. We got El Toro Loco, and then coming up after that, we got the big monster trucks. And let me tell you, there's gonna be a dinosaur attack, so it's either El Toro or the big monster trucks getting attacked. Oh, El Toro! He rolled right off the edge of the track. Oh no. Well, at least going off the side of the track there, he's safe from the dinosaurs. But that means we gotta send off some of these big monster trucks here. We got Sparkle Smash, and we got the big green Gravedigger. So which one of these should we send down the track today? Oh, looks like we're going to be sending Sparkle Smash. Wow. Oh no! Sparkle Smash went right between the Ankylosaurus and the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Knocked over the Ankylosaurus. Look at that end over end flip that Sparkle Smash just did. Wow, this could be our dinosaur attack. Let's see how this turns out. Oh no, the Ankylosaurus is getting some action. He is attacking Sparkle Smash. Oh, these are very agile, very fast, very aggressive dinosaurs. They can rip you apart in seconds. Sparkle Smash. Not going to be doing so good after this dinosaur attack. Oh no, here comes the Tyrannosaurus Rex. No. Hey, we got a lot more videos just like this with dinosaur attacks, with monster trucks, with all kinds of cars, cool cars. So subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. We got a lot of winners this race, a lot of winners. El Toro Loco, the dragon. We got Gravedigger, Tiger Shark, and Max D, and the Mystery Machine. That's all our winners here, folks. We'll see you next time on more videos just like this. Subscribe. Bye now.